Hello everyone, and on this installment of What Crimes Can Hunter Cook in the Kitchen, it's not what you think. That's not how you cook noodles, right? Yeah, you're right, and you're actually completely right. Making grilled cheese. So, sit back, relax, and, I don't know, cook at home, follow the instructions. Making grilled cheese, because, I promised I would do it. Because I wanted to do something that wasn't noodles, but that was before the series was named No Effort Noodles. So I was like, oh man, wait. Aren't I supposed to, like, make sure to do only noodles? Nah, I don't care. I guess that's the no effort part of it. I don't even follow the own rules. I don't even follow the terms and conditions. You know, that adds to the fun, you know? So we're just gonna get super goofy this weekend. We're making grilled cheese. So, yeah. Step one, you put butter or margarine, whatever you prefer. And then you put your sandwich. And there you go. Soak it in that buttery liquid. So I want to make sure you melt everything too. So we're gonna make sure to leave that. I hope my mom or something isn't watching this video where she can see that my cooking skills are very depressing. These cooking skills are not great, man. Just get in there, man. Will you just get in there? By the way, this is whole wheat bread. So, just making sure you guys know what actual crimes I am committing. That's what I'm committing. Whole wheat bread. Need I say more? Hopefully I don't. I don't even want to say more. I don't even want to say more myself. I like that a little more butter when we switch sides, just so that we have something to keep it lubricated. That's not even cooked. Inconvenience of also being crappy at cooking. You get to screw things up 3,000 times before you make something that's okay. Like, I mean that in a very harsh way. Okay. Like, very mid. Not even that great. But, yeah, we get to cook up crimes. We're gonna let that one cook for a bit. Spatula smells pretty good. I was kind of panicking because I couldn't find sliced cheese. I was like, oh no, it's probably not good. But, you know, we're fine. Alright, now we're gonna try it. It should be good now. Yeah, that's good. Let's go. And now we're to the point where you gotta stir around a cooked side. Which, you know, that doesn't end very great. Oh. We stabbed a hole. Well, that's nice. We'll keep cooking, right? Yeah, we'll keep cooking. Yeah, it's so slippery. Oh, that's actually good. I like that. Good enough. Not as good as my last couple of ones. But, it's definitely still good. Alright. This is actually probably gonna not taste great. Just because of the fact that I am using so many wrong methods of making it. Whole wheat, not even fully knowing how to make a grilled cheese. I mean, I was told that my first one was pretty good. But, yeah, this is sad. Yay. I mean, this is a shorter episode, sorry, but here's your excuse for a grilled cheese. I would add something that would make it look even tastier, but I really don't have anything that would make it look even tastier. But, yeah, also the cheese is actually gooey, so yay. I'll see you guys later next week. I'm literally recording this during my lunch break, during the 24-hour stream, so this is kind of funny. I gotta, like, get all that situated. But, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.